at Ladun Treats in Everett, it's nothing but smiles and tasty fruit pastries. The lineup of desserts is impressive. Simply sensational, colorful, and thoughtful.
Because I love make dessert and I love the big smiles.
Lydia Ladun is the mastermind behind these magnificent desserts. She's from Ukraine, and all of the recipes are hers. They look like works of art. They are so beautiful, almost too pretty to eat.
I love it, and I have the craving for it. I've been to other places, and this is the best. The people are nice, and the pastries are amazing.
Well, I've never been here myself, but my boss got me some stuff from it. She raved about it and said it was really good, and so I thought I would return the favor and get her something from here.
As you can see, locals are loving Ladun, but Lydia has a lot of help. It takes a team effort to get these sweet treats on the counter.
They handcrafted it, and it takes like a very long process, 8 hours a day, and they prepare for the next day, so it's always very fresh.
The pastries are also low in sugar, getting most of the sweet taste from the fruit. Just being here makes you want to know more. I couldn't wait to go behind the curtain.
Come on, Gaard, this is where all the magic happens.
Look how busy you guys are back here. So what's happening right here?
So this would be white chocolate and cacao butter mixed together, and they add food coloring to match the fruits and make it look as realistic as possible.
Wow, so all the colors are those different flavors?
Yeah, so this would be the strawberry, the tangerine, the pear, and right over here they're trying to get that banana flavoring.
Oh, nice. And then what's in the middle?
The middle would go, so the mousse and then the puree of the fruit.
I like that. Okay,
Yeah.
I can't wait. I gotta try one of these right here. Okay.
Go right ahead.
Oh, here we go.
There you go.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That is incredible. All right, I gotta try one more. You show me the display case?
Let's go to the case. Yeah.
Let's go.
All right, Gaard, here we are. So these would be our traditional cakes.
Look how pretty they are.
Right? And then our cake pops, our macaroons, our cheesecakes, our mousse cheesecakes, and then here's our special. This would be our shell desserts.
It looks like artwork to me. So what are your favorites? What's your most popular here?
I would definitely say here are 3 most popular. Our mango, our raspberry, and our coconut.
And which one should I try?
Here you go. You should try the mango.
The mango? All right,
Yeah.
give me the mango.
Yeah.
The mango for a quick bite.
That crunch.
You heard the crunch?
I heard it. Oh my
That
gosh.
is absolutely the most stunning dessert I have ever had.
Oh my gosh.
You guys are doing it right here.
Thank you.
Ladun Treats, the perfect fruit pastry for any occasion. A place to take your hat off.